Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to use teamwork.com for data visualization. It's going to be a quick yet thorough guide, so let's get started. The first step is to log into your teamwork.com account. If you don't yet have one, you'll need to sign up and create a new project. This step is crucial because it's where you'll be able to manage all your data. Now that we've done that, let's move to the second step. Click on the Dashboard tab. Here, we're going to add a new widget. The reason we do this is to customize our visualization according to our data needs. Let me explain why this matters. By adding widgets, you can create a unique dashboard that visually represents your data in the most effective way for you and your team. Next up, we're going to configure our widget. Click on the Settings icon located in the upper right corner of the widget. Here, you'll select your data parameters. This helps us because it allows us to control what data is displayed and how it's visualized. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Teamwork.com is pulling your data based on these parameters and presenting it in a visual format that's easy to understand. The final step is to save your widget settings. Once you're satisfied with your configurations, click on the Save button. This finalizes your data visualization, making it ready for analysis and team discussions. In conclusion, using teamwork.com for data visualization involves logging into your account, adding and configuring widgets on your dashboard, and saving your settings. With this simple process, you can start transforming your raw data into meaningful visuals that drive decision-making. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, data is only as good as your ability to understand and interpret it. Until next time.